Welcome, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. Just in time for Halloween, I have a new quilt, and this one is Spooky Stars, and it uses a Halloween fabric collection. On the home screen, select the second icon on the left, which is New Project. Type in Spooky Stars and select OK. View the project sketchbook and select the Fabrics tab. And these are not very Halloween-y, so we're going to select Clear and select OK, and then go ahead and close. On the home screen, select Search Fabric Swatches. That's going to take us to the fabric libraries. I have downloaded the 2021 Stash Collections, which are available for purchase on the Electric Quilt website. The fabric I want to use today is from the 2021 download number 1, and it's the Riley Blake collection called Spooky Hollow. And so I'm going to navigate to that. Then I will do a Select All Fabrics, Add to Sketchbook, and close. On the home screen, select Design a Quilt from Scratch. Select a new quilt horizontal. Select the Layout tab and change the number of blocks to 4 by 4, and then change the size of each block to 6 by 6. Now we're going to want sashing, so we're going to click on Include Sash Border and change the width and the height of the sashing to 2 inches. Select the Borders tab, and the first border is preset at a long horizontal. Make sure the lock size adjustment is turned to all and change the size to 2 inches. Then go ahead and select Clone the selected border and do an Add, and that will be the second border. Now let's work on a block for our quilt. Select the block work table and select a new block pieced Easy Draw block. In the Precision toolbar, change the block width and height to 4 by 4. Set the snaps at 4 by 4, and under snapping options, make it snap to grid only. A quick tip: did you know that you can move that bar in the center to change the size of the quilt work table? Now I can see the entire Precision toolbar. Select the Line tool and draw a horizontal line at 1 inch and a vertical line at 3 inches. In the large square in the lower left corner, draw a vertical line at 1 inch and a horizontal line at 3 inches. Then, with the Line tool, we're going to draw a diagonal line starting at 3 inches on the left and go to 3 inches on the top. For the next diagonal line, start at 1 inch on the bottom and go to 1 inch on the right. Then draw a diagonal line from 0 to 1 inch and from 3 inches to 4 inches. Select the Color tab and color the block with the added fabrics. Select Add to Project Sketchbook. Select the Quilt work table and select the Design tab. Select Set Block and scroll to the end to find the block that was just drafted. Using the Control or Command key, select one of the block spaces on the quilt work table. Select Fabric Tools and color the sashing and cornerstones. When coloring my quilt, I decided to treat each group of 4 blocks as a single block and use consistent sashing with that group of 4 and an alternating sashing in the other spaces. Because of my strategy, I did need to single-click to color each of the patches. Use the Control or Command key to color all 4 sides of a border at once. Go ahead and add to the project sketchbook, and now the magic comes in. Under Block Tools, select Symmetry and click on one of the main blocks, and you will see different rotations of the blocks. Turn off Hide Show Autofill on closed patches to get a better visual of the finished quilt. For every rotation that you like, select Add to Project Sketchbook. Continue to use Symmetry and click on a block to see different rotations. And again, for everything you like, just add to Sketchbook. I will include a few of my favorite in the blog post. View the project sketchbook, and if you select the Quilts tab, you can scroll through all of your saved options and select the one that you would like to use for actually making your Spooky Stars quilt. Thanks so much for watching. To keep up to date on the newest videos, along with other offers from On Point Quilter, please subscribe to my newsletter at onpointquilter.com.